Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and I just made a video on how to join two lines together with Control L. We've got two lines here, and we're going to select them both, and then hit Control L, and it's going to make one line out of it. Well, it's not like group and ungroup. You can take this back with Control K. Control K will break them back into two lines. Control K works on a lot of subjects. Control K on a text will break individual letters apart. Control K does a lot. It'll ungroup. And if we group this, I'll just show you where it's at because it won't happen unless we can. Control L to put those together. Control K is break curve apart. Control K. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.